Want to shed those extra pounds? Here are the top 5 ways to help you reach your weight loss goals. First up, start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are nutritious and filling, making it easier to consume fewer calories. Next, stay active by finding an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's going for a walk, hitting the gym, or joining a dance class. Remember, consistency is key. Another essential tip is to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it can also help control hunger and cravings. Additionally, try to get an adequate amount of sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase your appetite. Finally, take note of portion sizes and be mindful of what you eat. It's easy to overeat when you're not paying attention. By following these simple yet effective strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable manner.